Hey, so if you want to keep your Zoho account secure, yeah, turning on two-factor authentication is one of the best things you can do. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable it step by step. Alright, first, log into your Zoho account using your email and password. Once you're in, click on your profile icon and go to My Account or Account Settings. Now head over to the Security section. This is where you'll find two-factor authentication options. Look for two-factor authentication and click Enable. Zoho will guide you through the setup process. You can choose how you want to receive codes, like an authenticator app, SMS, or email. Using an authenticator app is usually more secure. Follow the steps to verify. Enter the code you received to confirm everything is working. Make sure to save your backup codes. Yeah, these help you access your account if you lose your phone. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication is active and your account is now more secure. And yeah, that's it. Enabling two-factor authentication only takes a few minutes, but it adds a big layer of protection to your Zoho account.